New York, big city of dreams. Yes, here we go, crossing the George Washington Bridge, heading into the Big Apple, New York City, to pick up my youngest of three from her summer as an intern at a private financial house in Midtown New York. This was her second summer living in New York on her own, and she had a wonderful experience. I said, you need to leave New York a tip because they served you well. New York was good to our daughter. She was safe and had a wonderful experience. So last summer she lived on the Lower East Side, and this summer she lived in my favorite part, Harlem, USA. And I wanted to share this video with you because when I see videos on places to live in New York, there are always these matchbox closet size dwellings, and you just wonder, how can anyone live in such a small space? Now, mind you, last summer she did live in a small space, but this summer her and two friends from college got together and they chipped in and got this duplex that was fully furnished, and I want you to enjoy. Look at the beautiful brick on the outside. It was tree lined, reminded me of the Cosby Show. It was a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath duplex, and just, yeah, beautiful. Now, my daughter did prefer living downtown. She loves Brooklyn, but she was glad she had this experience. She lived in walking distance to Central Park and Marcus Garvey Park. But I hope you enjoy. Just check it out. So you may be wondering, Coach Sherry, how much did a place like this go for? Just think, it was fully furnished. It had everything they could possibly need, a washer and dryer, all the linen and utensils in the kitchen. Only thing they had to bring was their clothes and food. And it was in a safe neighborhood, in walking distance to the subway station. All three of the girls worked in Midtown Manhattan, had great internships, making phenomenal money. Well, this place cost $10,000 a month. Yes, not 1,000, but $10,000 a month, and they split it 3 ways. But you know what? As a parent, we had peace of mind, and I, again, love Harlem. But you get used to what you get used to, and all these 3 young ladies are definitely on a path to success. So I wish them all well. Here's my daughter, my youngest of 3, our last day. We're getting ready to hit the road. New York does not owe her anything. She needed to leave a tip because New York served her well. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave me a comment. And what did you think of this tour and that price tag? Give this video a thumbs up, and thanks again for tuning in.